This is an overview video for the CADSharp Toolbox Rollback Manager. Open up the CADSharp Toolbox and go to the Rollback Manager. This will show you all of the part studios and their rollback state. So if you've ever been in an assembly and it's referencing a bunch of different part studios and you forgot to roll back to the end of one of the part studios, well, this will help you see where those part studios are with their current rollbacks. So if you want to ensure all of your part studios are rolled to the very end of their documents, just select end and set rollback. And this will go through all of the tabs in the current document and set them to wherever you told it to place the roll bar. And that's it for the Rollback Manager.